We're in Fresno, California, doing a little repair on a filtration system here. It's a Life Source local distributor here provides these, and then they have an installer come out and put these in. Anyways, this filtration was leaking everywhere. It's a pre-filter, and so the distributor came out and said that that filter is really not necessary and you can abandon that. And so we agreed to come out at the request of the plumbing contractor, a buddy of ours. He's unavailable, so we came out to take care of it for them. And so we're just abandoning that. We take that out, throw it on the back of the truck, and chuck it in the trash. When we get back, what we've done is, the only thing that we've done here is broken apart this union right here. It's a 1-inch union, and that's the male adapter. So this was pointing over here, and then the filter was mounted right there. So just to bypass that and get you back up and running, we just broke this loose, unscrewed everything, and tossed that over there. And now what we have is a corrugated stainless steel connector here. This is by Watts Manufacturing. We use a lot of their products. They make all kinds of plumbing products, so we trust them. But anyways, 1-inch stainless steel connector, which is compatible with the copper, and so no more leaking back over to the filtration. So that part's done. One thing we did note when we were taking a look at this is this wire. It's like old speaker wire that you can see right here that causes that operates this head, this electronic head right here. You can see it's corroded for whatever reason. Just being in the sun, it's busted through, so you can see that there. So you need a new wire minimum. So that wire probably goes around the corner somewhere, down on the ground, then plugs in. I don't know where, we didn't install it, but wherever that's at, you're going to need to run a new cord back up in here. And then of course I'd recommend something better than speaker wire. That's exactly what that is. Sprinkler wire. I don't know what else you want to use, but something to power this. So I'll let the homeowner know that they need that. That's not in our scope of work. The main thing was to stop the leaking and get them back online. Outside of that, this installation is done.